you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll put it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go.
Kahit po. Oh. Saan na yun?
Iwan kita. Okay.
Here comes the greatest steel warrior alive!
Uy! Gusto ko marinig. Alright, so that said, we have 6 Kaya ba na?
Ay, sinabi.
Right now at 17 gold. Makakakuha na siya ng rest. Ano ba yun? Naas magdasal ni Body Jump Body Jump. Okay, so Bob, ano bang specialty ng mga to? Si Bad, yung wrestler. Kasi di yung siya wrestler. And it should be the coaches only punishment. Pansin-pansin, does not care. On the economy, they say talaga ito natin para hindi talaga siya okay. Pero yun nga, pansin-pansin niya talaga, even on top ng smoke, nag-iibig talaga ng talaga sa
The world's gonna know my name!
Kaya talaga lagi yan. Bagay, kasi pagka-play edit ka naman talaga. Kasi hindi kasi talaga pa plano na database. Na mag-adjust ka to a certain... Kasi sobrang laki ng freedom na meron dapat na ano na mag-adjust. to go for the 3-star Marquis, which is a very, very good type for Celestine. Ayun pa, meron po nakikita rito po. See, kung detect ni Dionski yan, head up defense. Pwede rin kasi matams eh, connect-click for times para maaga yung abis mo para master yun. May kumuha yung dragon sa Sa ngayon, ito si Badji, hindi ko na itutuloy yung 3-star Marquis at iiwan ko na siya kay Dionski. Yun yung mga bagay na pwedeng gawin sa per setup. Ito mag-usap na kung malayo ka naman sa 3-star Marquis, paubayan mo na sa akin yan. Kasi ito yung support ng team. So sa kanila naman, ito sa mga ng mga asteroids dito. Hindi ka ng asteroids. That already has Immortal Bell player, sabi ni Dio dito, Dio 3. Ayan na rin siya mga kaibigan. I'm gonna transitioning over to the Northern Bell collection of units. Pansin-pansin, ang dami na din just to push the Northern Bell units. It's not going to be a good choice. We will find out. Because Kapitan Jeffrey will come rolling
So, ito pang magkano dito? Ayan,
The world's gonna know my name!
So,
so, sa mga yun, yung nag-email sa akin na di ba nagpo-okay yun? Pwede mo kita pa kay DG. Kay DG mo lang sa YouTube. Pwede ka
sobrang dami nga yan. Ay, 3-star. Si Anyon. And si Anyon Volante, meron na rin siya rin ng 3-star Marquis. Ito yung hinahanap ni Dionski. Naharang na pala ninyo dito. Yun is going to be against the counter of the Marksman player in the Giga. He has a 3-star Aki, a 3-star Nia. Napakaganda ng item nito yung 3-star Nia. That's a last clause. I inspired in the Dragon's After Crystal on that start to yeah, that's cool. Super, ano rin siya. Alpha dito. game breaking kapag pag nag-effect. And pag hindi nag-effect, game breaking. So sa ngayon, kakapansin mo sa itong si Bills. Malapit. Kumbaga, kalapit na siya sa kanyang game na 3-star player. You can see that right now, he has 5 players. He's stabilizing and nakakasakot Filipino perspective. So sa ngayon, looking at the position names ng ating Unix ranking, James 3 is at the bottom of the standings. Followed by Z. No, actually, check that. Si si 2-3 at si Kapag J2 na yung sounds. Yung first player si King Jones is finally napunit yung badge, sorry, yung Freya, alam naman natin kung gaano ka kalipis ng tawag sa
The world's gonna know my name!
the reason behind it eh. Pwede rin po, sobrang solid din ito.
Pwede rin. Pero, ano si Pwede muna? Pwede ka naman mag-transition dahil mabilis ka naman makakawala na. Kasi hindi carry mo, hindi carry mo yan.
That's true. So sa ngayon, itong Nia, hindi man lang nakapuntan ng Johnson yun. And look at this. Yung Akai, medyo maraming pinaka-damage, but in the end, the wrestlers are really strong. And will...
The world's gonna know my name!
Wait lang, this is the 1v5. If I've ever seen a carrying game, it is almost always the Nia carrying games for the marksman. But the knife, I don't know what is
One day, I'll become the greatest.
Pero tingnan natin. Okay, wrestler. Ito na. Yung posibleng tumapos sa karera ng mga player na si DS3. Right now, there is already a Bruno and a squad on the backline ni JNR31. Yung problema kasi once the player gets enough sustain, gets enough HP, it might really be the ingredient needed by the defending players. And right now, he is still going to survive. Nakakina pa dito kahit yung player players. And yun na nga, sabi lang natin sa the match into so really the difference maker at 200 let's see Gino, just Crystal back, Wesley Crystal Baby here. So kailangan nyo lang nakalimutan na pitang kanyang fraud and that's how you look at his rounds. Nag-roll na siya dito, nag-aanap siya. And working here device, that's the problem. Even Jeopardy is also struggling to find the power started to become the norm. Okay, first of bloods will happen, but the full destruction will be here to end the life of the Picture for a DLC. And they may stop. Zed, Kinsta. Okay, Jaynard versus Zed. Immortality on that jawhead. Pero binaril ng batang paslit and Jaynard 31 meter dapat po ngayon. So Sky at 12 meter. And Zed at 8. Nasa ilalim sila. Pero ang lakas na yun natin. Ayun, may ito na sinasabi natin. This is bound to happen. Ako na, double going back. And ang daming lumilipad, but right now, it's too hard to call kung sino malamang. There is still a jawhead on the side of Jaynard. Jaynard is against 2 units. So once naman, it's isang jawhead. Pero hindi siya pinakillers. And right, ayun, bumalik siya sa pagkakakuhay. The Starfire Blade pa nga, that's just the one side. Bigla sinima sa mukha. And Sky will win that against the Jaynard. One star pa talaga si Joey and Sky. So si Jaynard, a landslide in favor of the Asteroids. Nagkatapat pa ngayon dalawang Filipino players si Jaynard at si Baji. Kung ikaw si Jaynard, kung ikaw si Baji, kanino mo ibibigay ang reins to carry this game? I think it should be on the wrestler kasi siya lang yung kayang pumigil dun sa sa play, yeah. But I will trust the decision here right now with 2 nakuha ang D1. Okay ba? Bukay pa sila pareho. That's the ideal outcome, bro. Kung hindi pa nga si Baji dito, hindi namin nila time for them to go all in. Dalawang science crystal, ito si Jaynard and si Baji. Pagalawin eh. So, medyo matagal-tagal pa yata bago siya umabot sa point hindi niya mapapagpagalawin. Kaya itong unit CU3 versus 2 tatlo nasa taas ay ito. Yung Asteroids in Malaysia. So, Miracles need to happen dahil ito yung favor of 2.
Going lahat yan.
3-star party, that is just 1 star. This is not going to be the outcome that you want to have. There's a good will happen. That the smart princess will be there, and Jaynard will win this war. I guess maybe I think yung elementalist Freya. Pero wala nga siyang elementalist ang tinulungan niyo pa nga sa list eh.
Medyo may effect.
Posible rin kasi maganda rin pag ginagawa niya kasi tagastan yung Mincy tapos pinahampas ko nito. Okay, nakakapatuloy ko sa John. Okay, natago ni G.E. Basically what will happen, the game is still alive, there is a elimination, broken neck, and this is the wrestlers that we all know and love. Let's see what's going to happen. Smart Missiles, broken neck, and again 3v2, Mincy laban sa kailangan. And hindi na nga pinagagawa. This is a problem if you are doing 3. Those 3s are already down and out, and this is going to be a win for Team Arctic Gaming, and that's our trailer 31 just now. Konti lang pero wait, for this is it. Ito naman si Lord talaga ito. Magic at 8 na po. Ayan, sabi na, pwede talaga nakakapatid. Ano natin sila, sana lang ang isa na nagkaroon ng pain moment. Yan naman natin. Again,
Dalawa na dyan siya. Okay.
meron pa nga engage, so may matutulong dito na twist. Most likely, there's going to be Jamila. Hopefully, it is Jamila kasi hindi lang kailangan magpatahimik dito. So, depends on happiness dito. It's the na matutulong o nakapag-squeeze strike pa nga ba? Going to go, sasabi mo ba crowd, the crowd control is going to be there. And it is going to be
Naman talaga sa live. Kahit lang kasi dahil
yung lang yung video lagi. Maganda ng group after, dalawang group after. Sobrang solid talaga. Sa group pag pagpanggaling sa group pag nakakalitan ng kapatid. So that's why it's a very good game. Well played on the side of Team Arctic Gaming. Advance sila into number 5 unscathed at the panalo. So that's okay lang po. So it's na nasa taas. Sabi nyo sa box.
Take the trophy. Don't take my money. Victory means a lot to me.
ano yun? Sabi? CS ka? This yata sila pare. Minutes na hindi million.
Diyan pala siya. Binigay ko na sa kanila.
Okay. 3 minutes na lang playing you. Region of ang bad. Sorry. Japanese. Let's go. Jason Villanueva again sending another superstar sa amin.
Lakas ng lupa.
Ano ko sa messenger ko dahil sa tour na may ako ng AV. Go MC Pinoy sabi ni Nizan. Right, go Pinoy talaga to. Right now guys, there are 40 teams in total out of 200 na Filipino teams. And syempre, ano ba ang hanap natin kung di mag-champion ang mga Filipino, pare? Ito na yun eh. Okay, chambak na